in this lecture video, actually, I will show you how to create a dynamic dashboard, right? So this tutorial or this example will be very simple. There are lots of critical option, right? So in this lecture video, I'm going to show you the very simple uh, process of creating the dynamic dashboard. By the way, this is sales data set. There are some variables name. So first variable is date, then product category, region, salesperson. Actually, it's salesperson. It means the code of salesperson, right? Okay. Unit sold, unit price, customers sacks. Okay, and total sale, right? Okay. So first of all, I need to create some pivot table. For example, to create the pivot table, just click within the data set, go to the insert and create pivot table. So new worksheet. Okay. So right now, for example, I would like to region wise customer, region wise total sale. Okay. It's very simple, right? So region wise total sale percentage. Okay. Just go to here, as uh, column total percentage. This is the region wise total percentage. So once again, I will calculate the another pivot table now existing. So existing here, there is another template. Salesperson wise, salesperson. Oh, there are lots of salesperson. Please don't do this, right? Remove field, salesperson. By the way, uh, product category wise, right? So there are only three categories. And sorry, some other categories. Category wise, uh, customer type, right? And the total sale. Okay, we can do it. So we also would like to know this is the sum of total. Okay, sum, that's fine. So two table, third table, product existing. So here we can calculate another. So what is the trend? Date wise, right? Date wise. For example, it's monthly. Okay, there are some month, daily date. Remove the date field. Remove the day field. Okay, day field. There is only monthly. Honestly speaking, there is no 12 months actually, right? Only 6 month data. Okay, monthly total sale. Just understand the trend actually. Try to understand the trend. Okay, so three. So another one. I'm just creating another one. Insert. Go to the pivot table. Existing. Here I will make another table. So what we can do here, for example, gender wise, uh, gender wise, region wise gender. Okay, region wise gender. Customer saying gender is in here. Okay, so region wise gender is in here. I can make it is count. I can make it a percentage wise, right? So what about percentage? The column total. Okay, this is the percentage. That's great. So only four tables, pivot tables. Just create some graph, right? So pivot analysis, pivot chart. For example, this is the bar chart. Okay, it's done. It's done. Here, maybe sorry, it's a column chart. Maybe here I would like to make it a bar chart. Okay, so here is a bar chart. So this one is a bar chart. That's great. So here I can create, or I would like to make it a line chart because I would like to investigate the trend, right? So trend. Okay, that's great. And finally, this one we can make it a. It's also a bar chart, right? Okay, it's a bar chart. And also you can create a pie chart, but it will not be feasible. Okay, so line chart no, column chart is fine. So what about the other structure? Structure? No, no, no. This is the 3D. 3D. No, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so four graphs we created, right? Here I need to create another sheet and rename dynamic dashboard. Okay, just remove the grid line, select all, go to the view and remove the grid line. Okay, here I'm just creating or merging all the cells, merge and center, and here I can create a, okay, right, dynamic dashboard, right? Make it 50. What about 50? That's great. Calibri, I can change. I can make it a color, right? Now it's fine, I think so. So next part is to copy and paste this one. Press control. This one. Press control and press control. Right. So control C and paste all the tables are in here. Just to rearrange. First one. This is the second one. Okay. And here is the third one actually. Here is the third one. And finally this one. Okay. Just to rearrange as per your own style. Right. Okay. As per your own style. We can just make it a color, right? So go to the design. What about this? No. Oh my God. It's rustical. So format, fail, shape, fail. How's this? Not bad. Yeah, not bad. Okay. So what is this? Fail. Yes, quite good. Fail. How's this? Not bad actually. Okay. This one. So next part is to create some slicer. So select this picture, go to the insert, slicer. So here is region. Okay. Click region. Okay. So just drag and drop the region in here, right? Make it smaller. We can create, we can make the color, right? And second, select this graph, go to insert and slicer. This is product category. Okay. This is the product category. Okay. That's great. So this one is the product category. Make it smaller. And I can make another color, right? Third one, okay, here, just go to the slicer, insert and slicer. It was month, right? Okay, month. So I'm putting the month is in here. Okay, that's great. Okay. These options are not available because of this value is not available in the data set. I'm sorry. Okay. So final one, this one. So this first gender wise region. So region is in here, so I can make it gender, right? Insert slicer, so I can take the customer sex. Okay. Okay. Customer sex, male and female. That's great. Female and male. Okay. Make it. Right now, you can see if I click here, here you can see all the values are changing. The graph is changing, right? Male, female. Okay. Just delete it. Here, central region. See here, it's changing. If you would like to investigate central and north, okay, just control press and press two values, central and north, right? Just delete it. Okay, here, only January's value, January and April's value, it decreasing, right? January, April, June. So after decrease, it was increased, the value, right? So problem is, this is the dashboard is fine, right? But it's not dynamic actually. Why it's not dynamic? Dynamic means when I will click in a single slicer, all the values, all the dashboard, I mean, the whole picture of the dashboard will be changed, right? How we can do it is very simple. Just right click is in here, region. I mean, the right click on the slicer, report connection. Just connect all the tables, all the figures, right? Same in month, report connection, connect all the tables and figures, right? Okay. Third one, report connection, connect all the tables and figures. Done. Here, customer sex, report connection, connect all the figures. Okay, it's done. Now it's a magic. I would like to see the central's report. Just click on central. here central, and all the uh, graphs, I mean, all the graphs of the dynamic dashboard had changed. I would like to see central and not. Okay, this is the value. It's changing everything, right? So delete it. So it's the first appearance. Same, right? Now, please see here. Oh, that's great, right? So you'd like to see the value by male and female. So this report is for male, this report is for female, right? So using this way, actually you can create the dynamic dashboard. On the other hand, when we'll create some other dynamic dashboard, for example, using some card, it means showing total values, showing total number of how can I say, number of sum of total sale, right? And many things you can do. Actually, this is the basic, this is the theory, and this is a simple example of creating the dynamic dashboard, right? So in this way, actually you can create. In my classroom, actually, I always says that this is the data. I mean the elements of mm, all the elements of for rearranging or furnishing your drawing room, right? So dynamic dashboard is a platform of a drawing room. So you have data is in here, right? All the elements are in here. So you can rearrange, furnish your drawing room as per your own style, right? So color combination, what types of chart actually you will use, right? So no one will teach you. It depends on you. It depends on your creativity. It depends on your how can I say, aesthetic, psychological issue, right? Aesthetic attitude. By the way, these are all about of creating the dynamic dashboard. If you have any question, you can ask me in the classroom, right? On the other hand, you can just you can create or you can make some comments, right? If you have any types of question, just let me know. I'll try my best to give you the best solution. So after the next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.